If you are farming SoSoValue season 2, let me quickly show you how to connect your wallet. It's very simple, and season 2 airdrop is expected around Q1 of 2026, and hopefully it's going to be as rewarding as season 1. So without wasting much of your time, let me go to my phone screen and show you guys step by step how to do it. And if you are seeing me for the first time, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and drop your comments. So the first thing you are going to do is to head over to your MetaMask wallet. So make sure you have MetaMask wallet on your phone already. So just tap on it, enter your MetaMask wallet. So click on the browser. So once you are in the browser, just go to the search bar and search for SoSoValue, SoSoValue.com, like this exactly. Then search for it. So once you search for SoSoValue.com, you are going to click on this exp, then click on this login. So click on login. So they are going to send you code. They are going to send code to your email. So they have sent it. You can see it here. I've logged into this account. I just create this account for these tutorials. So you are going to click on this market. So you are going to click on market. So once you are in market, click on these three dots, these three line at the top here. So once you click on the three line, you are going to see account setting. This account setting, click on account setting. So once you click on account setting, you can see I've already connected all this one that is showing on link. I've connected. So you are going to see wallet under it here, not connected. So you are going to click on connect wallet. So once you click on it, they are going to send another code again. Click here to verify you are a human. This place, you are going to click on it, is verifying. So once this one is success, click on get verification. So they have sent another code 661322. Hope you understand. So this place, you are going to select MetaMask. So you are going to click on MetaMask. Once you click on MetaMask, it's going to take you to this place. Then you click on connect. So once you click on connect, it's going to take you to this place again. So you are going to click on confirm. So you have successfully connected your wallet on SoSoValue airdrop. So if you want to perform the task, I know a lot of us know how to do this already. Just go to this XP here. So once you go to this XP, you are going to see a lot of tasks here. Follow, like and all of that. So go to this daily tasks. You are going to see a lot of tasks there. Once you complete these tasks, you earn exp. Hope you understand. So make sure you are bullish on this particular airdrop. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next post.